What you see here is the GAS 55 M AFC Professional from Bosch. If your work creates large amounts of dust that requires an M certified dust extractor, then this is the right wet and dry dust extractor for you. An L box can be clicked onto it, which makes it a practical transport and storage solution. Its powerful suction turbine with 1380 watts is effective at removing dust. This dust extractor meets Dust Class M in accordance with the EU standard and ensures a high level of user protection. Its AFC automatic filter cleaning system guarantees sustained suction power for continuous work progress. It's ideal for large amounts of dust. Its 55-litre tank can be utilised perfectly with the space-saving flat-pleated filter. Experience for yourself the GAS 55M AFC Professional from Bosch, the versatile wet and dry dust extractor with automatic filter cleaning system and large tank volume.